In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to your Capcut video using your iPhone. Whether you're creating content for social media or just putting together a fun family video, music can add that extra punch to captivate your audience. Let's dive in and make your videos come alive. First things first, let's open up Capcut on your iPhone. Once you have the app open, select the video project you wish to work on. This will take you to the video editing interface where you can see your clips laid out on the timeline. From here we can start adding music to enhance your project. Now look towards the bottom of your screen and you'll see several options. Tap onto On Audio to open up all the sound related features Capcut offers. This is your gateway to the array of audio possibilities available within the app. Adding the perfect soundtrack or sound effect can really elevate your video's mood and engagement. Once you tap Audio, you'll be presented with a few different choices. Sounds, Your Sounds, and Extracted. These options give you the flexibility to choose music that fits your video's tone and style. Sounds offers a library of tracks available within Capcut. Your Sounds lets you use music you've saved on your device, and Extracted allows you to pull audio from other sources. If you're looking for something specific, you can browse through these options and find the track that best suits your vision. If you've already got a tune in mind, you can also import your own music. This flexibility ensures that you get the precise audio vibe you're aiming for. Remember, the right track can help convey the emotion or message you want your audience to feel. Once you've found the perfect track, tap the plus button to add it to your video timeline. This simple tap integrates the music into your project, syncing it with your video to enhance the storytelling aspect. Not only does this bring life to your project, but it also helps transition or highlight specific parts of the video. After adding the track, you may want to refine its timing or adjust the volume to ensure it doesn't overpower your narration or other audio. Making these adjustments can help maintain balance, clarity, and the overall professionalism of your video. Finally, with your audio perfectly synced and adjusted, it's time to save your masterpiece. Tap Export located at the top right corner to save your video. This will render your project, blending both visual and auditory elements into a single cohesive clip. And just like that, you're done. So whether you want to spice up your video with some background music or sync it with the beat for added flair, Capcut offers a seamless and user-friendly way to achieve it right from your iPhone. Now that you know how to do it, go ahead and start transforming your videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.